Every time you brew a cup of coffee, your coffee maker experiences limescale buildup. It's a normal part of the process of heating and pressurizing water with minerals, but over time it can hurt your machine's performance. Your machine might tell you it's time to descale, or you may notice odd noises or erratic pour amounts. If not addressed, these symptoms will lead to machine failure. To optimize your machine's performance, you need to descale. You can use vinegar, but that will only remove about 50% of the limescale. Upgrade from vinegar to a solution that removes 40% more scale. Introducing Urnex K-Cup Cleaning and Descaling Kit. Not only does it remove more scale than vinegar, but the biodegradable formula works to descale faster and rinses away faster. That means you spend less time removing that potent vinegar smell from your coffee maker. Here's how to use Urnex Descaler. Empty the packet into the reservoir and fill with water. Brew the entire reservoir. Rinse the reservoir out. To flush the interior of your machine, refill with water and brew the entire reservoir. Repeat this process 2 more times. Note that with vinegar, you would need to flush out your machine with water 3 more times. Save time and make the process easier by using Urnex to descale your machine. Urnex is the #1 cleaning and descaling brand among coffee professionals. Urnex is trusted by coffee shops around the world to clean and descale their machines, which can cost more than $10,000 and serve hundreds of customers a day. Coffee professionals know that keeping a coffee maker's heating element clear of scale means their coffee will taste better and their machines will last longer. You should too. Cleaning away scale is critical, but single-serve coffee makers also frequently have dirty exit spouts, which affects your machine's effectiveness and your coffee's taste. That's why the Urnex K-Cup Cleaning and Descaling Kit comes with a cleaning cup. This cleansing formula is designed to remove coffee oils from the exit spout without a lingering odor. To use the cleaning cup, place it into your machine and brew the largest cup size 2 times with the same cleaning cup. Next, remove the cleaning cup and brew 2 of the largest cup sizes of water to rinse the exit spout. Now, you've successfully improved the performance of your coffee maker, adding longevity to the machine and allowing it to brew a more fresh cup of coffee every time. For a better cleaning and descaling experience than vinegar, choose Urnex K-Cup Cleaning and Descaling Kit.